What's up everybody, Kidandroid here. So yeah, the Huawei P40 series is expected to go official later this month, and this is the time where we are seeing some real leaks related to the smartphone. Well, today, the protective case of the Huawei P40 Pro has been leaked from the production factory. Here you can see that the smartphone case looks very similar to the Porsche designed version of the Huawei's Mate series. Definitely the protective case looks amazing, but what is most interesting about the leak is the renders of the P40 Pro that was also revealed. The renders are those of the front and rear view of the device. As you can see, the renders seem to confirm the presence of a curved edge display as well as a dual hole punch camera design. Also, we have this live image of the smartphone's front panel, which clearly shows the dual selfie camera as well as a curved edge display. So overall, the smartphone looks decent from the back side, but from the front side it looks futuristic because there is not a single bezel at the top as well as on the bottom side, only a punch hole, which in my opinion looks good. Well, the smartphone hasn't released yet, but Digital Trends managed to get a hold of a prototype unit of the Huawei P40, giving us our best first look at to the smartphone. Well, definitely it's important to note that they weren't allowed to play with the phone's software and cameras, also not to show screen or confirm any of the key specs of the phone. But still we can see the design. So with that being said, the P40 is set to come with the same dimensions at the outgoing P30 Pro from last year. I would say at the first glance, you can see that he is holding the Huawei's P30 Pro from last year. But no, this is the Huawei's P40. Well, the smartphone comes with a curved glass body that sits more comfortably in the hands thanks to its rounded corners and sports a highly reflective glossy finish. The phone will feature a curved display but not as pronounced as the waterfall display of the Huawei's P30 Pro. Also, it will feature the physical volume and power buttons. Having said that, if we look at the cameras, the smartphone is having triple camera setup, which includes a periscope, ultra wide angle shooter, and an alleged 52 megapixel main camera. We don't get any more information, but the hands-on notes the sensors appear larger than the last year's P30 Pro. There's also a ToF sensor on the side for the depth mapping alongside the flashlight and the microphone. So yeah, this is our first best look at the Huawei's P40. What do you think about it? Let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And yeah, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you tomorrow. Peace out.